to my presentation. This is I am Mazharul Islam with you, my dear learners. Today is Thursday. Every Thursday, I have organized a session with you for developing your speaking fluency in English language. Today's topic I had given you last week, importance of AI. That's mean artificial intelligence. You will try to deliver your speech from your own concept, what you know about AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, one by one, comes to the dais and deliver your speech. First, who will come to the dais? Okay.
Honorable teachers, elder brothers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is I am Imtiaz Ahmed. I am 14 years old. I am in 9th standard at Hudayar High School. Today I am going to describe about importance of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a buzz issue nowadays. It is a computer-based system. It focuses on creating intelligent machines that work like humans with similar intelligence. It is expected to shape the future. It helps medical treatment and self-driving cars. So that's all for today, for the time being. Thank you very much. This was nice story with you. Allah.
Excellent, brilliant.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. At first, I'd like to thank my teacher for giving me this opportunity. I am MD Muhammad Hassan Dil. I am in grade 9 and studying at Gopalgaon Islamic Government High School. Actually, I couldn't make a long speech due to my sickness. I have a very short speech about AI. So what's AI? Artificial intelligence. It is useful in so many things in life. We can't even think out of it. It can generate images. Like if you give text, it will generate some image. There are significant qualities, and I would like to include some AI like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and etc. That's all for the time being. Thank you for watching me. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Honorable teacher and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well, I'm really pleased to become a speaker in such a splendid program on this beautiful morning moment. Actually, I'm not a good speaker like you. I possess really good knowledge. So it's my request to ignore all my shortcomings. Anyway, I will try my best to share my true knowledge with you. I have to tell something about today's topic, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence possessed by machines to functions by humans. Within the help of AI, machines can learn, solve problems, think like humans. In the modern age, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence. That's all for today for the time being. Thank you very much. That was a nice meeting with you. Allah.
Excellent.
Dear friends and honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I am very glad to be here in this morning. Actually, it's a great pleasure for me to say something literally on today's topic. That topic is importance of AI. AI, we are living in the age of fourth revolution, and AI means artificial intelligence. It is a computer operating system. There are many AI-based softwares in our world. They are ChatGPT. It was published OpenAI.com, and Google also published her AI-based software. AI is used in our life. AI makes images, graphics designs, logos, etc. But if you think about this day, AI is helpful for our life. That's all for the time. That is a good moment to Allah.
Excellent.
Dear friends and my honorable teacher, Assalamu alaikum. I'm very glad to be at this program. Actually, it's a great pleasure for me to present for you using English communication. But I'm not fluent on English, please. So now going to give my speech in today's topic. This topic is AI. AI belongs to artificial intelligence. It is a computer-based system that is very useful in our daily life. That means if we give various kinds of commands in AI tools, it can generate things that you want to make. Nowadays, various kinds of people use various kinds of AI tools in their daily life.
It is also used in company and company. Companies, and students are also very helped by the use of AI. They can take the help of AI in their study. Graphic designer can generate images by it, and programmers can generate various kinds of programming language using it. So that's all for the time being. Thank you for listening patiently. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Dear listeners, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. This is Samuel Ali. Actually, I am not on the habit of speaking in public places. Sorry for my ignorance, but I'll try my level best to say something regarding to my topic. Today's topic is the importance of AI. What is the meanings of AI? AI full meaning is artificial intelligence. It is rapidly changing our world. The fourth industrial revolution has been started based on AI. It has been made our life more easier and safer. Students can solve any kinds of math problem by using it. The OpenAI launched fast AI named ChatGPT on 2023. Now AI is more developed. It can generate text to image, image to text, or all kinds of things that we need necessary. That's all for the timing. The time is short. Truly, brothers, there was a nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shaddarul Islam, the student of grade 9. The name of my school is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. Actually, I am not in the habit of speaking in like this presentation. Anyway, I will try my best to say something regarding my topic. Now I am going to tell about the importance of AI. At first, I will mention the full form of AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. At this moment, artificial intelligence can help to do all the tasks easily. At this moment, it can be used every field like mobile, like big software, automobile companies, etc. It encourages students to think creatively and solving complex problems through critical thinking and innovation. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening to me. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Honorable teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you? Well, this is Simil. I am a student of class 9. My school name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. Actually, I am not habit of speaking in public places. Anyway, I will try my best to say something regarding my topic. My today's topic is importance of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a new technology in the field of computer science. Computer science, artificial means refers to ability to think and make decision. It concrete artificial intelligence was 1915. That's all. Thank you for the time being. Totally speaking, brothers, I am very nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. It's me Dad. I read in class 9. My school is named Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. Actually, it is a great pleasure to say something before you. But I am not a good speaker. I am really sorry for the shortcoming. Anyway, I will do better. I will better the. Anyway, I will level to best. So yeah, say something. My topics. Today's my topic is AI. We can say that artificial intelligence is the computer machines that our work easy. It's them artificial intelligence. It is ability to think like humans, and that's all. Thank you.
Excellent.
Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well, this is Taqi Islam. I am very pleased to come here in this beautiful morning. Actually, I am not a good speaker like you. Anyway, I will try to my level best to say something regarding my topic. Today's my topic is importance of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. We can say that artificial intelligence is a computer machine with intelligence that we can work easy. We can work easy. Artificial intelligence is a very important in our lives. It is a application and artificial intelligence has recognized by the That's all for the today. This was a nice meeting with all of you.
Okay, excellent.
Honorable teacher, my dear friends and younger brothers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well, I'm really pleased to be a speaker in this splendid program in this beautiful morning. Actually, I'm not a good speaker like you. I possess very little knowledge, so it's my request to all of you. Please ignore all my shortcomings. Anyway, I will try my best to share my little knowledge with you. Today, I have to tell something about AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Some specific applications of AI include expert systems, machine vision, natural language processing, etc. Actually, our AI works on some pattern basis. It collects data from different sources and prediction about future. That's how it solves some questions or show us results. So that's all for the time being. That was a very nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Honorable teacher and media fans, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well, I'm really pleased to become a speaker in such a splendid program with this beautiful morning. Actually, I'm not a good speaker like you. I concentrate a lot. So, if my friends, you know all my shortcomings. Anyway, I'll try my best to share my knowledge. Today, I'm going to tell something about AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. It's an involving technology that simulates human intelligence. This means they can think like humans. AI has made our life easier. It helps us in many ways, like studying, working, and in business, etc. There are many AI companies like Google. Google has made their Gemini. Elon Musk has embedded the ChatGPT, and Microsoft has embedded Copilot. AI is very important in our life, daily life. So we should use AI properly in our life. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
Excellent.
Honorable President, thank you for giving me the opportunity. Hello everyone, I am Mujahidul Islam with you. I am a student of grade 9 in Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. Today's topic is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. In nowadays, developer countries using AI. In such example, AI is ChatGPT, etc. Nowadays, we are using AI for problem solving. That's all for today. For the time being, this was a nice moment with you all.
Excellent.
Dear audience and my dear friends, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you? Well, this is Hassan Taib. I'm really pleased to come here in this beautiful morning. Actually, I'm not a good speaker, but I want to be a good speaker in future. I'm sorry for my ignorance. My today's topic is the importance of AI. AI is a machine that can various tasks easily. It is used in various schools, and well as it has made our life easy and comfortable. For the time being, this was a nice moment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Honorable Business Secretary, teacher, distinguished and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Well, I am really pleased to become a speaker in such a splendid program in the morning. Actually, I am not a good speaker, like why possibly little honest. So it's my request to you, leave my shortness. I will tell something about AI. AI means artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize many impacts of AI has the potential to revolutionize many society from healthcare and transformation and entertainment. However, it is impacts AI and society without concert. It is important for society and we consider to potential benefits and drawback AI and regulate in ways. That's all for today for that.
Excellent.
Hello my teacher and my elder brothers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anubhav Durak. Before you, I'm 16 years old. I'm graduating class 9. I'm a student of Government High School. I'm not a good speaker like you, but I will try my level best to say something to this topic. From today's topic, important of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the created 1915 as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is created of us humans. Can very easy like education, robots, and arguments and artificial intelligence is the technology with artificial intelligence. That's all for the time today. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent.
Hello, honorable teacher and their younger brother and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. It's me, Faisal Muhammad, before you, student of grade 10 of Gopher Islamia Government High School. Today I am going to describe the most important thing, AI. That means artificial intelligence, and it refers to computer system capable of performing complex tasks that historically only a human can do. So, such as reasoning and making decision, problem solving, and critical thinking. AI is being used in a wide variety of industries today, including healthcare, and it is used to develop new drugs and treatments and diagnose diseases and provide health personal care and finance, and it is being used to detect fraud and making personalized. And that's all for today for the time being, and this was a nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent. Okay, my dear learners, congratulations to you, because you have nicely described about on the topics. Today's topic I was selected for you, AI. AI means artificial intelligence. You have already delivered a lot of importance, but I would like to inform you that today you are living in 21st century. So modern technology has been changed rapidly, and fourth industrial revolution already started. And AI is one of the best tools. If you don't know AI technology, you will be left out. And AI means artificial intelligence, and it also helps us our life very easier. That's mean health, education, communication, etc. Lots of sectors, mainly graphic sector, picture to image to text, and lots of sector already started AI. So you should learn about this concept, and you should build up your confidence. And if you know and if you have mastered in AI, and coming future you will be dominated. And again I would like to inform you that you have already expressed on the topic using English language, and you also delivered on the topic AI. Both are very necessary for you as a student, as a teacher. If I don't know English, I cannot make you, I cannot encourage you. So learning English language is so much necessary for you, and artificial intelligence must be necessary. That's all for today for the time being. Now I am going to end of my session. Allah Hafiz.